If you make this soup, your guests are going to think you spent hours in the kitchen making it. And believe me, it's so fast. We've got a coconut base, bit of Thai paste, we've got tofu, and we've got chicken in there. It's wonderful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got one large chicken breast there, no skin, no bone, cut it into nice thin pieces. 1 pint of coconut milk, just over a tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon there of a yellow Thai curry paste, 1 cup of onions, and here I've got like 2 cups of a tofu cut into nice small pieces. If you're going to be using tofu like me, try and use a nice firm or extra firm type. And these are the noodles that I'm using. They're a rice noodle. These noodles require me to soak them in some warm water for about 5 minutes. You can use a different type of noodle if you like, and read the packet because there's hundreds of different types and ways to prepare them. I'm not going to use all of those. I'll show you the amount when we put them in. So you're going to need a wok or a pan or something like that. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a sesame oil, which has got a nice little nutty flavour to it. The heat's on, above medium. So in goes that 1 cup of onion and the tablespoon, or just above actually, of garlic. And then we're going to drop in our chicken breast, no skin and no bone in there, and cut it fairly thin. So I'm going to go for about 4 minutes, stirring all the time. Fabulous stuff. Now we're going to get the yellow Thai paste in. Now I love the Thai paste. They're great to have in the kitchen, so go and grab yourself some red, green, yellow. They're really fantastic. Add a load of flavors to stir fries, obviously curries, and other little bits you can do. They're actually quite good quality. You know, they're fairly genuine. They're not like a horrible tomato pasta sauce in a jar sort of thing. They're actually quite good. I'm gonna add black pepper. I'm not adding salt. Get a nice couple of big pinches of black pepper in there. I'm not gonna add salt because the Thai paste generally has got salt in it, and we're gonna be adding fish sauce, which is very salty. Wonderful. Next up, we're going to add 1 pint of the coconut milk, and to that I'm going to add a little bit of water and the fish sauce. Here goes our tofu, and like I say, you're going to use it for a soup or something like that. Firm or extra firm is really good. And then very simply, we're going to get some noodles. These are my rice noodles I'm using. There's about 3 cups worth there. We're going to stay on this above medium heat, and we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. And this is pretty much done. It's so easy and delicious. Okay, so off goes the heat. So easy, beautiful. Now look, I've not added any vegetables in there. You could be putting some mushrooms in there, bell peppers, some carrots, some eggplants, up to you. I'm just keeping it really nice and simple like this. I've got 1 cup here of roughly chopped green onions. Nice and kind of big, really. Gonna get them in the mix. Check it for salt. Like I say, the fish sauce is enough for me. You might want to add a bit, that's up to you. And if you wanted, you could get some fresh chili in there. I'm probably going to serve this with a little bit of chili flakes on the top, I think. Let me get that in a bowl. It's wonderful, so easy. And there it is. Like I said, a few chili flakes on the top. You could put some cilantro or coriander on there if you wanted. But that's it, really beautiful, really easy, lovely little soup that. Hope you enjoy it. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well, lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.